Just moving.
Hey guys, today we are going to the trains that can go on Stepford Express in SCR. Express has a small amount of trains. The class 395 will not go to Express, because we all know why. The class 805,000, 807, and 810 can also come to Stepford Express. Anyways, let's start.
Teddy, we're all stuffed.
Anyways, let's start. Number 1, the class 222. This is a Meridian train on East Midlands Railway. It looks like the class's 221s and 220s a little bit, but the front is very different. I would want to see another Voyager on Express. They have a max speed of 125 miles an hour or 200 kilometers an hour. Number 2, the class 91 with Mark IV cars. This is a diesel electric train on Express. This was supposed to be on Express. It would have been made by Overhead Wires, but this was never made because of his resignation. But we don't know if the train will release. If it does, I will drive the class 91. They have a max speed of 125 miles an hour or 200 kilometers an hour. Number 3, the class 180. This is a diesel high-speed train that can go on Stepford Express. Some people might say to the 180s, you'll be going nowhere. Anyways, they have a max speed of 125 miles an hour or 200 kilometers an hour. Finally, number 4, the class 397. This is a train that operates on Transpenny Express. This replaced the class 350/4s. The class 350/4s were transferred to London Northwestern Railway. Anyways, the class 397 can go on Express cause it goes to 125 miles an hour or 200 kilometers an hour. It will also go on Airlink because it goes to Manchester Airport and got first class. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. See you later guys.